Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, so welcome to Choice Options, and in this video I'll be talking about few of the Nifty levels, Bank Nifty levels, and at the same time one of the good stock which I have picked for the coming few days, a positional call. Okay, so the stock which I'm talking actually about is Tata Motors. So the Tata Motors, actually the auto sectors have been performing really great, and at the same time Tata Motors is one of such stocks which is trending nowadays, and there has been some good news about it, and market has actually been going in a good trend. You can see it very clearly. I will just mark it for you. If the market has been in trend for a while, and at the same time if you check it very clearly, there is this 1 minute, I will just, yeah, so there is this level at here. I will just alt H. Okay, this, if this level, I will mark it with the red. Yeah. So this is the level where the Tata Motors has actually been trying to penetrate that level and go ahead of it. So we can say that level is kind of a rejection level. But in last few days, I mean on 3rd August, you can see that this actually, with a very strong volume, the price has actually breached that level of 111. Obviously, if I would have been there, say, if any immature person would have there, been there, he would have actually entered over there and bought. But there are certain important levels which are to be taken care of, which I would be telling it to you right now. Okay, so important one such level is 115, okay, and 119. Okay, so 119, so from once this level, okay, you can see it is kind of a bullish engulfing candle over here. But once today it was a red candle, but obviously this red candle, the bears couldn't actually close the price below the half of the previous candle. So we can say that still the uptrend is kind of persistent, and we can expect the market to go up from here. Okay, so what I'm suggesting is mark the level of 115. Okay, buy at 115, and and where for a short term you can put your target at the 200 moving average, that is 121. And once this 221 mark is breached, okay, once the Tata Motors actually crosses to 120 level, then we can actually expect a very good up move. And as per as my knowledge, I can see that after this directly you can see 137 is the next level. Okay, so you can put your target over there. Okay, for short term, again I am repeating, at 100, once it crosses 115 you can buy. Okay, and you can take a profit of around 5 points from there, that is a short term level. And once 120 is broke, then you can directly expect the market to go till 137. Okay, and it's almost 17 points, so it's a positional call. It would happen, the time frame which I recommend is maybe around 2 to 3 weeks. It would take around 2 to 3 weeks this to happen. Okay, okay, apart from this, Tata Motors is one such stock. And let's talk about today's analysis, what actually Nifty, what I actually saw in Nifty, and what actually can help you to trade tomorrow. Okay, as I earlier told you that Nifty is kind of consolidating at in this rally, and whenever there is a consolidation in a rally, then you can actually expect a reversal. On I told this on Saturday, but but one thing is, you actually saw whatever I told you, that price might actually get dropped from here. So you actually saw it. It was pretty evident move from there. You can see I told you at this level. I'll just mark it for you. Okay, 1 minute. I told you from this level, but today again there was a green candle which has formed, so don't worry, it's a temporary move. So why this move has happened? Because in 1 hour candle frame you can see that there is this cup and handle, uh, you can see a cup and hand, it's in 15-minute time frame. I see uh, cup and handle pattern formation is seen over here. So you can see it very clearly, there is this cup and handle formation. Okay, I don't, you can see it over here. Okay, there is this cup and handle formation forming over here, and you can see this handle. So this handle has been broken, and now this is a breakout from there. So you can expect a short term up move from here, but once this short term up move ends, okay, so most probable resistance I see is at just let me check once again. So the most probable resistance now is there could be a possible reversal at 11,113, so around 11,120. So there could be a possible reversal from there. Okay, so at that time you can actually short and make some good money. Okay, so apart from Nifty, we will also check Bank Nifty, how it has performed today. Okay, 1 minute. Nifty Bank. So when we look at Nifty has actually kind of, I mean, it has started showing a bearish movement from here. Okay, I will put a daily time frame from here. So you can see that it was actually making higher highs from here. I will just mark for you the levels. This is one of the, this is 1 minute. I'll take 1, 2, 3, and this 4. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, that is 20,880. This is a perfect level. If the price actually gets down to this level, then that means that higher lows which were actually building earlier, that lows have been broken and there is a breakout downside. So we can expect the market to go down from here and a bullish movement can begin at that particular level. So just note down this level, that is 20,880 is the perfect level where you can expect a downtrend starting. And at the same time you can see there is some consolidation. And at the same time, when I actually try to put Fibonacci, I did it earlier, but still I will like just show you. Okay, so you can see that correction has came near around 0.5. So but it didn't actually touch it, but rather it took support at 0.382 and it has already broken that support. So actually I think that we can actually expect a downtrend from here, a short term for now, and if this persists then we can expect a big downfall from here. So that's all for today's analysis. So if you liked my video and if you actually understood and learned something new in this video, please like my video and share with your friends, and please do share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Okay, thank you so much.